Welcome back to another episode of Can't Wait Outdoors. We're out here on a canyon adventure on my dad's 31 Bertram. We got my son Jackson, buddy Mike, who I always hunt with. You've seen him in many videos, and my dad running the boat. It's a good white marlin bite out here, so hopefully we catch the elusive white marlin, see some action, leader some billfish, have a good time. Great for my son. So, you know, he's 6 years old, so if we end up getting him his first white marlin, it's gonna be insane, absolutely insane. So if you like this type of content, please leave a subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, do whatever you like. I just appreciate you watching. We'll get you right into the action. Thanks. Watching. There it goes. You see it jump? See it? These guys look like they have a tuna on. This guy?
This guy, I don't know, he's got one marlin. I see him jump, he got his weight stretched out.
This one?
Yeah.
See it jumping, Jack? It's jumping like crazy. All the white water behind the boat.
White water?
That's a white marlin. We're in the right spot. Hooked up, baby. Whoa! Big, keep going, Dad. Keep going.
Oh, you got one.
Real lure in, right lure, right here. This one. Oh boy, this might be a blue. You might want to turn on it. Turn. He's gonna cut us off. I take full credit for this one. I should have trusted the drag that I had set before I let the line out. And, definitely was a blue marlin. Just watching the videos of the later white marlin that we caught in this video, stick around, lots of action.
Hey, that fish was smoking
this fish was smoking this reel, and you know, unfortunately I got a little caught up in the moment and clicked the drag up about 5 clicks, and that was just enough to pull the hook. With the bow in the line, it just was too much. I mean, even right there, you see me de-check it, it still really wasn't that heavy. It is what it is. Should have rode it out and seen what happened.
Well, you get a fish, you can get that plug in.
Yes. There you go. You got one on here too. Jackson. Hold this right here. Oh, right here. Hold this right here. Keep reeling, yep. Mike caught his. Keep reeling.
What do you have, Dad?
I have nothing. I was catching yours. It's gonna be a lot harder to get a marlin, bud. So you better get practicing. Hold on, let this go.
Yeah.
Keep reeling. Doing good, bud. First time?
There you go, your first dolphin, right?
Mike, can you pull out a couple? Oh, no, they're under his legs. Never mind. This one might be decent. Just keep it tight, buddy.
Real good, Jackson. I see it.
You're doing great, buddy. Junior angler, boy. There you go. You're figuring it out. The hook in hand. You're doing the rest yourself. Keep it tight. You're doing great. Oh, he's taking line. Go jump. Hey! No, 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 no. No. Do it the other way. Yes. I know your arm's getting tight. That's the way you got to do it, bud. You're almost there. Hold on. Don't reel against it. When that line's going out, it's gonna jump. See, it's taking line, so don't try and reel. Just don't let go of that rod, dude. What are you doing? Reel, 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 reel. Reel. You're doing great. First job, first time.
Watch, he's gonna jump again.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. You gotta keep it tight. Keep reeling. You almost got it. All right. See, he's taking line, so don't go against him. He's gonna jump. Oh! There you go. You're getting it. You look like you're a YouTube sensation. You're so close, buddy.
I see it.
Oh, I'm excited. Keep reeling. It is. Here it comes. I'll be able to help you. Keep reeling. Reel. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Reel.
Nice, Tom.
Hey! Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, watch. Yo. Yeah, dude.
Yo. Nice. Yeah, buddy. High five.
Good job, dude.
Watch that hook. All right.
All right, where's the camera? Much bigger than a flounder, bud. Hold it right there, look at Mike. Ouch. He's on me. Oh, right long, right long, right long, right long. Here. Here. White Marlin. No, what the heck? No, it's a Wahoo. That's a Wahoo. That was a Wahoo. 100%. But that was a white marlin on the right long. Yeah, I was getting bit by a Wahoo. What are you doing? Trying to do two at a time? Are you squeezing them to death? Gotta be easy, you gotta do one at a time. Because you can ruin those baits. You hear? All right. I appreciate the help. We'll teach you. How old are you again? 6. Yeah, it's incredible. Good job, dude. It's about to get epic. Please subscribe. Get involved in that giveaway. I guess it's a midday check-in. It's a little slow here. Earlier it was really taking off. A lot of boats were hooking up all around us. I tried to get footage you probably already saw. A couple boats have had 15 bites with white marlin. Oh!
What's that? You got him, Steve? Get that plug in. Look, Jackson, look.
Oh my God, what is it? What?
Marlin.
Daddy, you were doing the outro.
I know.
I reel it in.
Of course. Make sure you go nice and easy. There he is on top. All right, buddy, this is the time. Mike, can you help him guide it?
Yeah.
You can help, yeah, and guide the line. Just don't change anything, Jack.
Right.
I see the bimini. Reel.
Real.
Reel.
Real
Reel.
it.
I am.
I'm just. All right, buddy, you're doing great. Double's right there. We almost got him. Keep it tight. He's lit up. Oh, cool. Reel.
Real. Look.
All right.
Hey.
Keep reeling. He just woke up. Woo! Cool, dude. Keep reeling. Woohoo! Yeah! Keep reeling, buddy. Woo!
Real.
Keep reeling.
Real.
He's got it. Go ahead, reel, buddy.
Okay, get a real fast.
Go ahead.
Back up. Real.
Reel. Woo! Got him, buddy. Okay. Let's try and get pictures. Watch your back. Oh. Hold on. All right. Good job, dude. Woo! That's how you catch a white marlin, buddy. Keep reeling.
Real.
All right, it's right here. Gonna try and get him in, buddy. He's really lit up. Keep reeling as I pull. Go back, Dad. Keep helping him, Mike. He's lit up, baby. I'm gonna try. Right there.
Real.
Keep reeling. Pump it forward. That's a big mark. Easy. All right, hold on. All right, I got it under. Ow.
Came through?
Yep. Keep reeling. He's still really lit up. All right, easy. We got him already. Yeah, dude, I'm trying to get him for you. He is lit up. No, it's just cut. That's how they look. He's not ready. Watch out. Hold on. Got him, buddy.
Got him?
Yep. I got him.
That's a nice size fish, too.
Holy shit. Just give me a minute. Woo. Okay. Calm down. All right, put in. All right.
Is that a boat pole or something like it? Put the tail up? Back there with Daddy, Jackson. Jackson, go back there with Daddy. Get back in here.
Yeah, right here, behind me, behind me.
Okay, I'll get out of it.
Yeah, you might stay in it. It's all right.
All right, let it go, let it go. We'll get it later. We'll get it later.
All right,
Jackson, get it later, Jackson. Come on, get some pictures.
Hold on.
Damn, I gotta get it. Yeah. This other pole. Can you get that pole? Just put it on the ground. All right. All right.
Hold on.
There you go, Jax. Yeah, we got it on all the cameras. Beautiful. Let's get him back to life.
Touch him? He's plenty alive. All right, put me in gear. So lit up. Yeah. You want to touch him again, bud?
Touch him, Jack.
Look how green or blue.
White marlin or blue marlin?
White marlin.
We can let him go.
Hold on.
Are we letting him?
Jackson, look at pop up. Oh, right here, look at it. Yeah, baby. All right, let him go. You gonna watch him go off?
Yeah.
It's a nice fish.
I know.
That's what we wanted, buddy.
Now we gotta go for the tuna.
Yeah, buddy.
Yup.
See him swimming? Look at his tail. We're gonna let him go. There he goes. Yo, dude. Yeah.
Yo.
He's so worried about these little things.
Sucker fish. Put it on your hand. Put it in your forehead.
Buddy.
Yo.
Buddy.
Yo.
I'll hop like
Yeah.
Did it.
Daddy was like 13 years old before he caught one of them. My man's more excited about the remoras.
what?
What are you doing, dude?
If I have it.
You gonna keep them on there forever?
Huh? Maybe a tuna or rabbit.
I'm gonna keep this big one though.
Oh yeah? It's gonna be a permanent. Oh boy. Oh boy. Woo! You got scared.
No, I didn't.
Whew. I guess back to the midday update. I was rudely interrupted by a large white marlin. But we got Jackson's first white marlin. Couldn't be more excited. Man, if that doesn't make you like and subscribe, I don't know what will. Some really good action, lots of fit, lots of jumps, really acrobatic, super lit up, fluorescent blue, beautiful fish. Released for another day. How you feel to catch your first white marlin?
Good.
That's it? Just good. Was it awesome?
Yeah. Great.
It was great. Was it the biggest fish you ever caught in your life?
No.
Are you sure?
Dark.
That shark? I don't know. Biggest pelagic fish you ever caught?
Yeah.
Pop on the wheel. He was backing down like crazy, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was. So I'd say our first fish, once I review the video more, I'm 99% sure it was a blue marlin, just the way it was smoking that reel. And Then we had the Wahoo bite. We caught a couple dolphin. Had a right long rigger white marlin bite, and then left flat line bite in that last clip. Wow. Super happy to get Jackson his first white marlin. I didn't catch my first white marlin until I think I was 13 years old, so he's beating me to it. So trying to raise a really good young angler here, so we'll see how the rest of the day goes, but I think I'm going to do a giveaway. I'll bring you some more information on that. Thanks for watching. Is he on the? He's on the teaser, I think. What? Oh, he's on me again. Yep. You're gonna reel in another one? Yeah. What if Mike wants to catch one? All right, hold on. Hold on. All right. Got it? Doing great, dude. Really good. Oh, he's taking line, so don't reel. Reel. There he comes. You want to jump?
He's gonna jump. Watch.
Oh, hey. Reel, 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 reel. There he comes, Jack. Go.
Go.
All right, all right. He's off.
He's off?
Yeah.
Oh.
You release him. That's how you release him.
Why'd you release him? We barely even saw him.
That's how you do
You
it.
didn't see him? I seen him.
I barely even saw him.
I barely ever.
I don't know. No jumps. I don't love that. Think we're straight. Right up. White marlin. Pick up that rod and keep it out. Move that rod, buddy.
This one?
Yep.
I want to reel in the last place. What?
You're gonna get wet.
You're gonna get wet.
See how he's reeling it in?
There it is. It's a release. Keep pulling them up. Make them dance, Mike.
Nice white marlin.
Watch. You always got to watch them. You never know what they're going to do.
Might come for the boat.
Watch. Back up. Back up.
Come here and pet me.
That's a nice white marlin.
Can you see the hook? Watch. He was hooked good right in the corner. There. Oh, sorry.
Like that?
No, you can get him.
Drag it.
No, 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 no. You can get him. If you grab it and just unhook it. There you go. Don't let them whoop your ass. They're strong. You can let them go if you don't want. Don't kill yourself.
I ain't killing myself. Break it. Yeah, want me to break it?
Oh, here he is. He's right there.
No, you know, he's over here. Look over here. There you go.
Aw. I didn't see it again. I didn't see it again.
Too late now.
Woo!
Yeah.
Yay!
Where's the hook?
3.
Where's the hook at?
Broke
took
off.
it.
He took it with him. Get a good one, Pop-Up, because I don't have it. You ready?
Yeah.
Don't let go of that, all right?
Okay.
3. Here you go, I'll take the flag. You want to get it right in?
Yeah.
Here, don't. Here.
Man, look at that shark. Buddy.
Hey. Very happy day for your dad. I love
Now you're
you.
jumping in.
No.
So you don't like
go
bottom
out.
fishing, right?
I'm still gonna jump in when you jump in too.
No, you just
He
did
ain't
it.
jumping in.
No, you jump in. You're still jumping in.
I don't want to jump in. You got out so quick.
Well, you're jumping in.
If you want to
Big
jump in,
sharks out
I'm not
there.
going to go in. Buddy.
You're jumping in. You said yes.
Ready?
You're jumping from
Ready?
there. Set.
Go.
Did you go to the bottom?
All the commotion caught the attention of some manta rays who came and swam by and checked out the boat. Look at these bad boys.
Oh, Dad, you hit. Jump right there. Yep. Oh, here they come. Look at him, Jackson. He's looking. Right here. Look how big it is. Awesome, dude. 3 of them. Yeah, there are 3 of them.
He looks like
How cool is that?
Skate.
See, you jump on, yes. They can't hurt you.
And of course, my wild and adventurous 6-year-old son, must be the Gatto blood, had to jump right in with him. I think he was a little scared after he hit the water, but hey, I give him credit.
Ow! Swimming right next to Jimmy.
What do you think, Jack?
Under the water. Yeah.
I can't believe I didn't get in the picture with him.
I know.
I didn't even think it.
Jackson,
Show this.
Yeah. Yeah, we went out and
I'll get a picture with you with the mahi on the dock.
double hitters like they were crazy.
Okay?
Yeah.
Crazy. Guys are going.
my junior angler. First white marlin, first dolphin.
Second white marlin.
That's true. It's a very good day. We lost the blue marlin. The video footage will clear that up for me. I'm pretty sure it was a blue marlin. 3 for 4 on white marlin. Had another one come up but never bit. Caught the few dolphin and had the wahoo bite. So the wahoo bite should be pretty cool. I had my camera rolling, looking right at it. So I think for the giveaway, I think we're gonna do a $100 gift card to Bass Pro with a Can't Wait t-shirt, just like Jack and I are wearing. And I think that we are going to request that we get a like, a comment, and once we hit
Subscribe.
yeah, subscribe. Once we hit 925 subscribers, I'll do a drawing for all the people who are in the comments. So let's hope that this works out and we get to you know, get to pick a lucky winner. So it's been a great day. Once again, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Catch us on the next one.
Can't
wait.